This underrated product has the potential to generate an astonishing $470,000 in revenue with almost no competition. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to start a similar business with the help of AI. From generating ideas with a simple click to designing a professional-looking final product, I'll also reveal a trick to make more money and stand out from the crowd. Get ready to take notes because this video is unlike anything you'll find on YouTube. Let's dive right into it. Today, we're going to talk about printable flashcards for kids. Flashcards are an exciting way for children to learn by matching images with relevant words. They can cover a wide range of topics such as animals, shapes, numbers, colors, and more. If you search for printable flashcards on Etsy, you'll notice that there is a demand for them, but surprisingly, very little competition. As the chart shows, the popularity of this product is on the rise, just as it was around the same time last year. This makes it an excellent opportunity for you to jump on this trend and start your own profitable business. Now, you might be wondering how I stumbled upon this idea. Well, I recently compiled a list of 10 winning digital products, and printable flashcards made the cut. People are selling printable flashcards in various niches and styles. For instance, some sellers focus on farm animal flashcards, while others offer alphabet flashcards or shape-matching sets. The possibilities to make money with this business idea are endless. Later in the video, I'll show you how to come up with unique ideas in just a few clicks. One crucial indicator of a successful product is consistent reviews. And when we look at the reviews for printable flashcards on Etsy, we can see that many listings receive positive feedback regularly. This suggests that these products are selling well. Let's take a look at some examples. Store 1 is making around $6,000 per month and has generated over $200,000 in revenue since its opening. Store 2 earns $2,000 per month and has made over $70,000 so far. The best part is that there isn't much competition, making it easier for you to make sales. Now let's walk through the process of creating your own printable flashcard business, starting with brainstorming ideas. There are two ways to approach this, and my favorite is the second method. The first way is to manually check your competitors' listings on Etsy. Analyze factors like the number of cards included, the style used, the images, the product descriptions, the titles, and more. Additionally, read through the reviews to understand what customers like and dislike. This will help you create something better and stand out in the market. But my favorite method is automating the process using ChatGPT. I've trained a chatbot to generate flashcard ideas based on my preferences. For example, I asked the chatbot to provide me with 10 flashcard ideas in the animal niche, and it delivered many cool suggestions with detailed descriptions. This allows you to create flashcards about animal names, animal sounds, baby animals, and more. You can also use ChatGPT to generate niche ideas if you're unsure what to create. Let's take the example of baby animals, as it seems like a great idea based on the successful listings we saw on Etsy. Once you have your product idea, it's time to turn it into a finished product, starting with creating the main component of the flashcards, the illustrations. When it comes to generating AI illustrations, in my opinion, there's no better option than using Midjourney. It offers extensive customization options, produces high-quality images, and is incredibly affordable. With the $10 plan, you'll have full commercial rights to use the images. But first, we need to write the prompt, which is a line of text used to generate AI images. To keep things simple, I'll split the prompt into 3 sections: subject, style, and customization. Based on our ChatGPT answer, the first illustration would be a duckling. The chatbot also suggested including adult animals alongside their baby counterparts, which is a great idea. So, the subject for our prompt will be a duck with a duckling. For the style, we'll go with the beloved Disney cartoon style, as it appeals to kids the most. Lastly, for customization, I prefer a white background as I plan to remove it later. You can customize other aspects such as colors, lighting, environment, and mood according to your preference. Now, let's see how the image turned out using Midjourney. Wow, it looks incredibly professional. But I won't force you to use Midjourney. You can choose any other tool you like. However, I must admit that the quality may not be as exceptional, so ultimately, it's your choice. Repeat the process for all the illustrations you need, and once you have them ready, it's time for the most exciting part: designing the flashcards on Canva. Did you know that Canva has a flashcard maker tool that allows you to design printable flashcards for free? Simply search for Canva Flashcard Maker on Google, open the first link, and click on Create a Flashcard. Canva provides a range of flashcard templates that you can edit and use. Start by uploading the illustrations you've created in Midjourney or any other tool you've chosen. Then, choose a template that suits your niche or personal preference. Now, it's time to replace the illustrations and change the word labels. You can easily drag and drop the illustrations into the template. If you're a Canva Pro user, you can remove the background with just one click. Adjust the size of the illustrations to fit the cards perfectly. And don't forget to change the word labels accordingly. Repeat this process for all the flashcards you want to create. You can also customize the cards further by changing the colors, fonts, and other design elements according to your taste. At this point, we've created the main flashcards that include the illustrations and word labels. However, to provide extra value and stand out on Etsy, we're going to create two more versions. One version will only feature the illustrations, while the other will only have the word labels. By offering this variety, you cater to different customer preferences and increase the perceived value of your product. Once you've finished designing the flashcards, save the templates as a PDF and get ready to print. Congratulations! You've successfully created your own set of printable flashcards. But before we wrap up, let me share a marketing trick that will help you stand out even more and make more money. As you can see, most of your competitors are offering bundles of flashcards, and while that's great, we can go the extra mile. By offering something for free, you can differentiate yourself from the competition and attract more customers. My recommendation is to provide coloring pages that complement the flashcards. Coloring pages are highly popular among children, and by offering them for free, you're adding extra value to your product. You can generate coloring pages using Midjourney or any other AI image generator by using the prompt displayed on the screen. When customers see that they're not only getting high-quality flashcards but also bonus coloring pages, they'll be more inclined to make a purchase. After all, who doesn't love free stuff? This marketing technique is well known and has been used successfully in various industries. By offering coloring pages in the same niche as your flashcards, you're providing an additional activity that kids can enjoy and engage with. This sets you apart from other sellers and gives customers an extra incentive to choose your product over others. Now that you have your printable flashcards and coloring pages ready, it's time to list them on Etsy and start attracting customers. Make sure to create compelling product descriptions that highlight the benefits of your flashcards and emphasize the added value of the coloring pages. Use attractive images that showcase the quality and uniqueness of your product. In addition to Etsy, consider leveraging other platforms and marketing strategies to increase your reach. Create a dedicated website or landing page where you can showcase your flashcards and provide more information about your business. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook to promote your products and engage with your target audience. You can create engaging posts, share educational content, and even collaborate with influencers in the educational or parenting niche. To maximize your chances of success, it's crucial to continuously innovate and expand your product line. Keep coming up with new ideas and themes for your flashcards to cater to different interests and learning objectives. Listen to customer feedback and use it to improve your products and customer experience. As your business grows, you may also consider exploring opportunities beyond printable flashcards. You can expand into other educational products like worksheets, activity books, or even digital resources. The key is to stay adaptable and responsive to market trends and customer needs. Remember, building a successful business takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stay consistent, keep refining your strategies, and always prioritize providing value to your customers. In conclusion, starting a printable flashcards business with the help of AI can be a lucrative venture with minimal competition. By leveraging tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and Canva, you can streamline the process of generating ideas, creating illustrations, and designing your flashcards. Additionally, offering free coloring pages as a marketing trick can help you stand out and attract more customers. So get creative, tap into the untapped potential of printable flashcards, and make your mark in the educational market. Remember, the sky's the limit, and with dedication and innovation, you can turn your business into a thriving success. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and share your thoughts in the comments section. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and I'll see you soon.